look at the Humboldt, California community, there are a lot of them who've been in it for, 50 years, 60, yeah, 50 years, So,
Yeah, but to go back to what you said about somebody that was doing anything in the streets, or even these hippie folks out there in California, and then not having a business acumen. I mean, it's home computers. I mean, there was a bunch of tech nerd guys that understood DOS and knew computers out the wazoo in the late 70s and early 80s, and they had to figure out how to get the average person to even think they needed one.
yeah,
And so they just reached out to the people who knew how to market, so people like yourself, and they brainstormed together how to come up with a new marketing scheme to make people think they needed one. Uh, and so it's Dirty Harry again. A man's got to know his limitations. Everyone does something well, but you don't get to do everything well. That's why there's teams, and that's why you need to work with people who
correct,
do something well.
correct,
Someone like yourself that knows the ins and outs of this stuff. I mean, if you're creative enough and you're part of this culture, and you can come up with an idea or a product that has a definite consumer base and a need, you don't need to know how to bring it to the market. You need to know how to make it, produce it, tell the story, and maintain its integrity. And you need to go connect with somebody who knows how to bring it to market. And to go back to what this thing is influences are, the influencers in CBD, and it was all corporate types. Hey, since when is anybody called an influencer? I think that's a scam. So they can start calling that. I heard that 2 months ago for the first time.
Well, that's
Really?
been
So
around for a couple of years. That's been around for a while.
yeah, but who made it? Because that's not the streets or the internet. That's
No, it's not the
I
streets, but it's definitely the. I think the entertainment world when the TMZs, the
exactly
extras, we
corporation.
have look at these people well, what word can we use to encapsulate what they're doing? They have all these followers, and they can convince their followers to make sales and make purchases. Oh, they influence their followers. Influencers. That's what we're gonna call
But
them, and
but
that's
see, but look, once again, they're capturing, they're stealing the uh, the integrity of a phenomenon. Someone gets on the internet and YouTube and they make a name for themselves. That's theirs. But these people are going to come along and give you a name. You're an influencer, and once people buy into that, now they get to tell you who the influencers are, whether they are or they're not, because you've already brought into the term, and that opens the door into your acceptance of it. And now they get to tell you, well, these people are in charge of it, and you're accepting it. It's just an example of that word is not organic to anybody's scene, for lack of a better term.
yeah,
That's something corporations made, and once a corporation puts their title on your shit, they're about to come take it. Or steer it away from you so you don't have it anymore.
yeah.
I'm rambling, but I'm just saying,
No, that's
you
true.
know,
That's true.
anybody out here, man, I got game, Jack, and I see stuff coming, and don't it goes back to maintaining the integrity of what you're doing. If you're really doing this CBD thing and it matters to you, and you really want to put something out there to help people with their anxiety and their inflammation and stuff, man, these people come along and write you a $2 million check, man. If you're really about it, all money is not good money, because with that check comes a price, and they're gonna take the shit from you anyway, and you're not gonna have it anymore. And you're not gonna be able to really do what you intended to do, which is benefit yourself first and foremost,
Mm-hmm.
and provide a useful product and service to people who would need it.
Mm-hmm.
Don't let these people come take stuff. We're right back to the year 2000 again. They're trying to take stuff that other people have made. The Vanguard, the Be Reals and the Snoops and the Dre's and the Red and Mets. These guys took the risk to make this thing more socially acceptable, so a corporation can come and then call you an influencer. And then once people buy that you're an influencer, now you're not the influencer no more. It's the CEO of whatever, because we bought into the term.
Yeah,
It's
pretty much.
stay free. Just keep your integrity on what you're doing. That's the long game. Anybody can make a lot of money one time.
Yeah.
How many people can control something and maintain its dignity and integrity?